welcome. Today we're cooking foods from regions of Italy. It's a collaboration and I'm going to be making Bagna Cauda. It is a robust combination of garlic and anchovies. It's used as a dipping sauce, and actually Bagna Cauda translates into hot bath or hot dipping sauce. And so the Italians from Piedmont in the northern region would make this, and they would serve it with French bread, vegetables, and they would even make a full meal out of it. Now don't forget to check out the other collaborators. Their channels are listed below with their recipes they're making today. You will also find the ingredients for this recipe in the description. So let me show you how this is made. Now this is a very easy recipe. What we're going to want to do is take a half a cup of butter. That's equivalent to 8 tablespoons of butter. Now I've taken 20 cloves of garlic and I've minced them finely. I actually used them in a food processor to get them a nice size. So we're going to add that once the butter melts a little more. Now we're going to add that to the butter. And over medium heat, medium to low, we're going to start letting the garlic cook a little. It's better if you break your It's better if you break your butter into smaller pieces. It will melt faster. It's one of the things I first learned when I first started cooking. Now we're going to want to add a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. And stir that in. Now this is really easy. I've never had it before, but I understand it is delicious. And I can just imagine. The Italians would serve this with a Piedmont region red wine. And like I said, they would make this a whole meal. Okay, now I have 3 2-ounce cans of anchovies that were in olive oil. I have drained that olive oil off, and so we're going to add these in. Now all we're going to do now is let this cook on a medium-low for about an hour until those anchovies dissolve into the butter and oil. And so I'll get back to you when that has happened. Okay, so this has been cooking for about an hour now. It's thickened up, but I want to make mine have a smoother texture. You can use it as it is or make it have a smoother texture. So I'm going to go for a smoother texture. And so I'm going to use my immersion blender and improve that texture for me. Let's get ready to serve this up. Okay, so we're ready to serve this up. We don't have a Piedmont northern region of Italy wine, but we do have a red Pinot Noir to serve with our dipping sauce. And let's give it a try. Oh wow. Yes, very robust. Garlicky, anchovy flavor. That is delicious. It's salty, but not too salty. So you would never want to add salt. I did use salted butter. And if you prefer less salt, use unsalted butter. But that's delicious. And follow it up with a sip of red wine. Yes. So you'll have to give this a try and try all the other collaborators' Italian recipes too from the different regions. And thank you so much for joining me today. Bye now.